Hey everyone! Welcome to Craft Zone Creations Section 3, Cubing. Today I'll be teaching you how to make cool patterns on your solved Rubik's Cube. If you want to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, I've posted videos teaching you how to do that layer by layer, so go check them out and I'll be putting the links for those in the description below. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the easiest first and then moving on to some of the more longer and complicated algorithms. The easiest pattern you can make on the Rubik's Cube is most likely the checkerboard. This is the algorithm that I'll be using, and I'll be putting all the algorithms in the description below so that you can take a look at them there. Also, if you want to reverse any pattern that you've made, all you need to do is go backwards. In this case, all of the commands have a 2, as in you do them twice, so all you need to do in this case is just repeat the algorithm and you'll end up with the solved cube again. So let's do this. R2, L2, F2, B2, U2, D2. This is the checkerboard. Now if you want to go back to the solved cube, all you need to do is repeat this. Basically, for this one, all you're doing is turning each side twice. The next pattern is the cross. So let's go ahead and make this. Also, if you're planning on reversing your pattern and going back to the solved cube, make sure you remember which face is at the front, because you need to have your Rubik's Cube in that orientation when you're doing the algorithm in reverse. Otherwise, your cube is going to get messed up instead of going back to the solved one. So let's do this. U, F, B, I, L2, U2, L2, F, I, B, U2, L2, U. This is the cross. Now if you wanted to reverse this, I started with the blue face in front and white on top. All you have to do is do these commands backwards and the opposite of those commands. So instead of U, I'm going to do UI, then I'm going to do L2, U2, BI, F, L2, U2, L2, B, FI, UI. And that would bring you back to the solved cube. If the command has a 2 there, then you don't need to worry about making it UI2, because U2 and then U2 again would bring you to the same place. The next pattern is 6 dots. This is also one of the easier ones. U, DI, R, LI, F, BI, U, DI. And that's this pattern. The next pattern is 4 dots. So this one goes F2, B2, U, DI, R2, L2, U, DI. In this one, the white and the yellow stay the same, but these have exchanged their centers for the opposite color. Now come some of the more complicated patterns. So the Python, as you can see, is already about twice the length of the algorithms we've done so far. But it's not that hard. All you need to do is follow the algorithm, and you'll be fine. F2, RI, B-I-U-R-I-L, F-I-L, F-I, B-D-I, R-B, and L2. As you can see, the python on my cube is this continuous line that runs through every face. Of course it changes color, but it is connected to all the faces. And that's this pattern. The next pattern is the cube in a cube. F, L, F, U, I, R, U, F2, L2, U, I, L, I, B, D, I, B, I, L2, U. As you can see, you have a cube in a cube. And that's on all the faces. You have a smaller square and a bigger square. Looks pretty cool. Next up, the vertical stripes. F, U, F, R, L2, B, D, I, R, D2, L, D, I, B, R2, L, and that's an F right there. That was a mistake I made while I was writing it. So F, U, F. As you can see, the white and the yellow stay the same, but there are vertical stripes all around the cube. Next is the tablecloth, which is the longest algorithm and the most complicated one so far. If you take a closer look, it's actually much simpler. I mean, the commands are much simpler. Most of them have a 2, so just moving the faces twice. This is also my personal favorite. I think it looks the best, so let's give it a try. R, L, U2, F-I, U2, D2, R2, L2, Fi, D2, F2, D, R2, L2, F2, B2, D, B2, L2. From far away, this might seem as if the cube has been messed up, but if you take a closer look, you'll see that there are actually 3 to 4 colors, or in some cases 2 on each face. And it looks really nice. Now, the Superflip is a bit of a last-minute addition. I wasn't actually planning on showing this today, but I thought it'd be pretty cool. This is what I think the most disorganized pattern that doesn't even look like a pattern until a close inspection. So, let's do it. U, R2, F, B, R, B2, R, U2, L, B2, R, UI, DI, R2, F, RI, L, B2, U2, F2. So, what do you think this pattern is? I mean, you can see these clearly, but is there a... Basically, the Superflip flips all the edges. So as you can see, these are not, they're still in the right place, but not the right position. All the edges are flipped, everything else is still intact. And that's the Superflip for you. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this video and making patterns with me on your Rubik's Cube. Stay tuned, and I plan on posting more tutorials on how to solve different types of cubes. Leave a like if you liked the video, leave a comment, subscribe to know when my next video comes out. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!